While Ecodur is ideal for large commercial projects and full recoats, its durability, flexibility, and ease of application make for great repairs as well. For this small project, we have a small area of EPDM with multiple penetrations. As you can see, several attempts have previously been unsuccessful at stopping the leaks. Due to Ecodur's extreme adhesion, minimal site prep was required to completely waterproof this small section. To begin with, the roofers at the Roof and Gutter Guys in Denver, Colorado removed any suspected silicone patches. Next, all surfaces to be coated were swept and blown clean. With the project area ready to coat, the penetrations and skylight curbs were tackled first. Ecodur's ability to completely bond with dissimilar materials eliminates the need for primers even when there are a variety of materials present on a project. Now that the penetrations and curbs were complete, the remaining field and edges were quickly and easily coated with no interruption to the tenants. This repair is ready to repel water immediately and will be fully cured in approximately 12 hours.